Absolutely and totally. Yes, guys, let me show you something crazy. Every single morning during the London session, gold is, absolutely explodes out of a tiny, quiet range, okay, formed overnight. And what if I told you you could predict that move, scalp it for fast profits, and rinse and repeat daily, again and again? Trading with this strategy and this concept certainly has helped, generating over 100k a month. So here is one of the accounts right here. I have made some withdrawals. So yeah, guys, let's jump into it, okay? It doesn't matter, okay, if you have a large account or smaller account. If you have smaller account, I'm gonna show you kind of a really nice trick, which will allow you to gain 10 to 20 pips, but every single day. Before we continue, guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you're new, make sure you join my completely free Telegram channel, where I share educational content. I share some of my trading setups, like where today's trade was phenomenal. The setup which I shared you about the gold worked out exactly as I was predicting, exactly as I showed you, for the entries and exits. So join my free Telegram. It's gonna be the first link below the video. Now let's jump into the strategy. So get ready, guys, okay? I'm gonna explain you exact gold scalping trading strategy that helped me grow my account starting from basically scratch. No indicators, no structure, no timing, and no powerful daily setups. So let's jump in. So what we're gonna do here is, this strategy is based on the one core principle. Gold consolidates during the Asian session, then breaks out hard when the London wakes up. So London session is the European session, okay? So what we are going to do here is, I'm gonna explain you just before I jump in. We're gonna mark the Asian session range, wait for the London breakout, use previous day highs and lows as a sniper take profit, just in, because we want to be safe. Enter the clean risk management using price action triggers. So, what's the best part here? You don't need to watch charts all day. That's the best part. Just one window at a time, that's it. And it's gonna be really short period of time in which we are going to place the trades, okay? We're gonna snipe the markets. So step number 1, tradingview.com free charting solution. Next step, we need to place this sessions indicator, which is completely for free again. Click on indicators, search for sessions, and choose this one right here, sessions by Luke's algo. It's completely for free. Again, doesn't matter which sessions indicator. Once you place it, you can see these colored boxes on your chart. Each box says what session it is. So we are focusing only on the London session. London session is this blue box, and in my time zone, London session or London market, European market, London market opens at 8 o'clock in the morning. I live in a GMT time, so 8 o'clock is the time when the London market opens in my time zone. When London market opens, volatility surges. Gold doesn't chill during the London market, okay? And gold doesn't chill during the London breaks. But we are not jumping in blindly, okay? So here's what we wait for. We are waiting for the London session to break out of the Asian session. And we are going to enter for buy trades whenever it breaks on above, or sell whenever it breaks below. But preferably, we're gonna look for a break and retest. So first of all, what is break and retest? So first of all, what we are doing here. This is an Asian session. See, Sydney and Tokyo. These are two boxes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna place horizontal lines on the highest point of those boxes, before London market is even open. So this is the highest point, yes, yes. Where's the lowest point? Here, yes, yes. We're gonna place it like this. And then, look at this. Then we wait for the London market to open. Here we go, London market opened right here. And we are waiting for the one full candlestick body to close either above or below the Asian session. Again, this is the Asian session. See this blue box? That's the London session. So whenever the London session opens, the blue box will appear, and we are looking for the London basically to break either above or below the Asian session, and we are placing the trades accordingly. First, we are waiting for the full candlestick body to open, so above or below. Here it opened above. Let me zoom in. So we would place buy trade right here, and if you have a small, if you have a small balance, let me just, if you have a small balance, then take your profit after 10-15 pips. Here is already 20 pips profit. Let me just show you. Let's continue. So here, that's it. London opened. 10-15 pips already taken. Now here is where the London session closed and the New York session opened. Let me know in the comment section below. There is also great scalping strategy for the New York session, but this is for London session only. So let's continue. Okay, let's continue with the strategy. Here we go. Now, what do we see here is the next day. Thursday, okay, next day, okay, nice. Here we go, okay, London session open here. Wait, hold your horses. What do? We place trend line on the highest price level and the lowest price level of the Asian session before London session, like so. And here, okay, here we wait, so here the London session opened. So this is our Asian session range. This is where the London session opened. It's still in the range. Remember, we wait for the breakout, either above or breakout below. So in this case, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. We'll see. We didn't see a new candlestick either below or above. Here we go. Now here we saw. So all this time nothing happened. Remember, we are placing buy stop and sell stop orders either above or below, but we need to wait for that new candlestick body. And here we can see that let me just extend this one. Here we can see that the London session, within London session it broke below the Asian session. This is above, this is below. It broke below, new candlestick opened. Here we place sell trade. So we're gonna go short from here. New candlestick body. So how many pips? Again, if you have a small balance, 10-15 pips, because this guy is happening all the time, again and again. And it's just ridiculous. So this 10 pips, and this is a 30 pips profit, and then the price reversed. Let me just delete this. Let's continue. Again, we go sleep. We wake up the next morning. Here we go. London opened. So what do? Repeat the process. Sydney, Tokyo. Highest level of the highest price level for the Tokyo. See here. Lowest for the Sydney. It's quite big range. We don't care. We only care about breakout. Here we go. This is a range. So what do? We wait for the breakout in a London session. London session opened. It went down. Okay, see it go within. Okay. It's still in. Okay, here we go. Here we saw London first full candle. So this candle broke out. We don't trade whenever the candle break out. We wait for the full candle to form either above or below of this Asian session. So where is Asian session? Right here. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see better. So here is our Asian session. Remember, we place this line. The Asian session finished here. So we are waiting for the London to break out. See, London still didn't break out of this even after the Asian session was ending. But then, however, it did broke out right here with this candle. Again, we still wait for the full 30-minute candle to open above, either above or below the Asian session. Now, what's really interesting, okay, is that the best entries, okay, see this entry right here. Let me just call this. The best entries. So this is the first candle that developed above the Asian session. So we enter there. But the best entries would be if you break down your 30-minute chart to 15-minute chart, and the best entries are the ones where the breakout where the breakout happened and the retest happened. So you see the breakout and the retest. So the breakout happened here, went back down and retested this particular zone. And whenever we see the retest red candle, we still wait. But then when we see the next green candle right here, these are the best entries. So what means break and retest? So remember, we are speculating on a breakout. So the retest, so if the breakout happens above, so for example, the price goes up here and then it breaks out. At the breakout candle, we don't enter a trade. We wait for the price to go back down a little bit and then we enter. And the same vice versa for the sale. So the sale happening, okay, so the breakout and downside happens, we wait. We wait for it to rebound a little bit back and that's where we enter. Okay, let's put it all together. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Asian session high, Asian session low, London open, pump, broke below. So here we go. So that's a lot of pip value right here. Oh, this is really juicy. Okay, this is ridiculous one. This is like what, 50 pips? Oh, okay. So this is winner. Next one, next day, Asian session high, Asian session low, London open, and it broke London broke right here. After several hours. Buy trade. Again, juicy profits. How many pips is this one? This is, let me just see. This is around, let me just see. This is 28 pips. Okay, again. Guys, if you're a newbie trader, take a profit after 10-15 pips, as I told you. Now, let's continue on. Next day, Asian session high, Asian session low. London open, bell broke below, right here. Now next one, Asian session high, Asian session low, London open, Notice, this day there was no breakout, so there was no trades executed. Great. Next day, Asian session high, Asian session low, London open, broke out here. Juicy profits, juicy, just ridiculous. Let's continue, and let's continue and continue. What is this? London, Asian session high, Asian session low, London open, again, no trades, no worries. Again, there's no trades. Remember, you can place buy, stop and sell, stop orders. If you're more experienced, that, and you don't need to watch, the charts all day long. Let's finish now. Next day, Asian session high, Asian session low, London open, breakout, up until here. How many pips is that? I don't know. Let's calculate. 32 pips. Okay. Guys, pro tip: if you're really risk averse, then make sure that you measure your previous day high. Okay, a candle. Okay, on a daily candlesticks. Previous day high on a daily and previous day low on a daily. And then during that the London breakout on a gold, for the buy, take your profit a little bit below previous day high. Or for the sale, take your profit at the previous day low. Why? Because if there was a previous day high right here and today's candle is this, if the price goes and reaches previous day high, the price will most likely retrace a little bit. Okay, so people will be, scared in their pants. So be realistic. Take your profit at the previous day high for the buys, or take your profit at the previous day daily candle lows for the sale trades. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure you join my free Telegram, okay, where I share more educational content as well as some of my trade setups. And you're always welcome to join my private managed account service if you're interested, okay? I love you all, guys. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me from Telegram, or you can WhatsApp me. You know, I'm answering WhatsApp every evening, just, you know, whenever I have time. But I'm just want to be here. I'm here for you guys if you need any help. I love you all, and see you on the next one. God bless. Bye-bye.